Hello YouTube. Hey, going to be doing an unboxing video here, and got a bunch of stuff in from eBay. Did some thrifting stuff too. I'm going to probably upload that separately, but I will probably be showing some of the thrift items I think. But we'll go and go to that unboxing. Okay. Now remember, please follow me on Instagram, and I do have a Facebook account too now. It's under my name. Hello YouTube. How you guys doing tonight? Hey, got a little sort of an unboxing rather from my local hobby shop. I had some points in, so I got the last two Z-Scale UP cabooses. They're the same car numbers. They were $24.95. But I got them with my store points. I do the RC stuff, so I tend to have a lot of points there. Oops. Anyways, let's go ahead and show this sign off. There we are. I'm running the Great Northern Line, so I think what I might do, I might just do this one as a like maybe a maintenance away, or I'm not sure if rip track is the right word. But let's look at the detail of this guy. Look at that, Katy couplers. The couplers are attached to the trucks; they're not attached to the body. Look at that. Pretty good detail. Kind of basic. I'll probably will run one on the layout and maybe keep the other one for, or keep this one for either eBay sales or I'll just keep it for now. I'm not sure. Anyways, another piece for the old trackage, and I will be doing several short videos tonight, I think. Maybe I'll just do multiples of the same one. I'm not sure. Okay, guys, here we are, and here's my knife here. My dad made me this when I was actually quite young. My dad was a custom knife maker. He made these to try out the blade types. This is made from '01. Dad also made custom sheaths, and there's a work. Handmade Boyd, Alaska. Okay, here is the box, and let's see. Yes, I guessed correctly. I'm excited. I actually did it right. Okay, what we got here, guys, is we have the rail box in Z-Scale, and this has the Markland couplers. I really like the rail box. If you see my other videos, I have one with the graffiti on it. I kind of hoping this isn't the same one. It's not. That's good. That's good. I thought maybe I might have bought two of the same cars. Not that that's the end of the line for me. It doesn't bother me at all, actually. This has a Markland couplers, and I could switch this over, but the Katie's, well, that's an interesting idea. I mean, I could do that with that caboose. Let me know what you think. Should I do that, or should I just buy a junker? And I don't know. Anyways, really like the look of these little Z-Scale guys. I'd like to try some of the Z-Scale stuff out. I got Markland Mini Club. I believe these doors are actually sealed on this one. Interesting. Yeah, they're sealed. Sometimes they're opening, and this one is sealed. That sort of surprises me. Could be an earlier one. Well, we'll go ahead and get into these guys and explore them. And but really it was like trains, and Z-Scale had a fascination for me because of the size, I guess. And it's just cool, you know. It's just really cool stuff. But yeah, so this has a Markland couplers, and a comparison here between that and the caboose. Pretty sure it can just be swapped right out. Yeah, here's my. Did I forget to put that cover back in? Oh well. Interesting. So I could just swap those guys out, I think. So you just... No, that'd be too short window. Let's see. Let's do a comparison here. Let's do it. Let me just go ahead and focus. There we are. What do you think? No, if I were to do the trucks, it's separate trucks too. And the caboose has bait and dwarfs, and this has a big roller bearings, I believe. Let me see. I can't even see it. No, not there. Yeah, they're the big roller bearings. Okay. Anyways, it's an idea. I'm not sure. Probably not a good idea. I'd rather leave well enough alone, I guess. I guess this one, oh, there's a liner for it. Okay. Alright, guys. That's our two Z-Scale cabooses for pickups today. Right there. And Railbox boxcar. And that's it for this particular unboxing. Okay, guys. Hello, YouTube. We got another continue with our unboxing here. So I'll put this in a different video. Got my little custom knife here. Got a box which got the Nike swoosh on it. So I'm going to go ahead and imagine this as a Nike product. Now, been buying stuff from various, including through Acorns. So that'll give us some Nike stuff. And hey, look, this tool packed in. I can reuse that for something else. And in here we have a very skinny, onto the box pile, very skinny Nike box. Very skinny one, see? Let's see what's in here. Okay, cardboard. Wow, that's pretty impressive, actually. It's got this official Nike thing in here. Guess we'll go ahead and cut that out. I didn't actually buy these to wear outside. I was kind of thinking about wearing these as sort of like house slippers. I don't know. Well, I'm not sure. Maybe it's not a good idea. Try them on feet here, see what happens. They're size 9, which is interesting because I could have sworn I ordered size 10. But you know what? Actually, I don't know. This might be a fail, guys. I may have to, yeah. Anyways, well, actually, pretty comfy. I've never had Nike slides before, so there we go. What do you think of that color? I don't know. It's got pretty nice tread on the bottom. I guess they stretch up. They're really padded inside. Like I said, never seen Nike slides before. Pretty cool. Actually, I'm pretty excited about them. Definitely want to try them out. Hey guys, how you doing? Continuing our unboxing here, we have a UPS shirt post box from an eBay line called Hotness Feet. I think it's the name of the place. Found something online here and go ahead and do a little unboxing here. This will be the very first brand new pair of Jordans that I've ever owned. Hopefully it's up to the height, right? Box is made in China, it says. Well, that's kind of thing. Yeah, that's good, right? It's a very sturdy box. I will reuse that. Alright, guys. It says 10.5, which is correct. Unlike the slides I just opened, it says recommended retail is $190. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that. Look at that, 190 it says. Got a little corner damage stuff on the box. Let's see right here. But the box looks pretty good, I think. Alright. Oh my goodness. Wow, that looks actually better than I ever imagined. Now I bought these to kind of be, what would you call them? Shelf queens, dead stock. The words just go on and on. But my very first pair ever of Jordans were the 13s. And I always loved the way the bottom was shaped. And I love that color. I just like the look. I like that ball there on the bottom. Look at that. Still got the sticker on it. The little coating protected from scratches. Little dimples here. This is the Atmosphere. So soft. Seen a pair of fake Jordans today actually at the thrift store. And this really opens my eyes to just how bad that pair was. Oh wow. Got the actual ball inside. I mean, wow. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna have to actually put my hands in here. Actually. This is amazing. Look at that, guys. See that little form thing in there? This is really, really psyched, man. Brand new, fresh Atmospheres. Seriously, check it out. I mean, look at that. Okay, guess I'll go ahead and do the other one too. That way you guys don't think I just have a single one, right? Look at that. Seriously. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. I love that color. I was going to get the Lakers, and oops, I just lost my other light. I said goodbye. I was going to get the Lakers, and I ended up finding these on eBay at dead stock from Hotness Feet. And I think I made a really good choice. Doesn't mean that the Lakers or maybe something else is not coming up out there, but you know what? I mean, check it out. Really, really excited, guys. I mean, this is definitely opening up a new chapter for me, and I'm really, really psyched by this, guys. I mean, this is definitely a new chapter for me. You know, I was doing the weight loss thing, and here we are. So here we are, Air Jordan 13s, retro 13s, I guess you call them, in the Atmosphere colorway. Please give me a like, a subscription. Let me know what you think in the comments, what other ways I should go. I got some other things planned up on my channel. I'm saving a bunch of dimes in a jar. And we're going to go buy a fresh pair of tennis shoes, or Jordans or something, probably Jordans, over at Foot Locker. And we'll do a vlog of that. So till next time, ciao.